This is the practical test of English language. In this first part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Kingshuk Roy, but my friends and family calls by my surname, which is Roy. So you can also call me Roy.
Okay, Mr. Roy, do you work or study?
Sir, am a student, but I also work as a video editor in English Fantasy. So beside my studies, also I do freelancing and other stuff too.
Fine. How many members do you have in your family?
I have 4 members in my family: my parents, me, and my younger sister.
Who is the main earning source of your family?
Both my parents are teachers, so they are earning equally. So I think they are the main earning source of my family.
Let's talk about your favorite food. What's your favorite food and why?
I don't usually like outside food, but I do enjoy eating seasonal fruits because fruits are good for our health. Also, there are many medical benefits that we get from foods that we do not get from other chemical processed foods from outside. So I prefer always having natural fruits in my fridge, and I do love having seasonal fruits. This is my
Thank
favorite
you.
food.
How often do you go to restaurant?
I don't usually go to restaurant that much because of my busy schedule, but I do love going occasionally with my family and friends. I mostly love pizza as a fast food. I usually don't like other foods, but I do enjoy having pizza. So I do go to a restaurant once in a month to have pizza.
Do you prefer to study in the morning or afternoon?
I usually prefer to study in the morning because that time mind is completely fresh out of any distraction, and I love having fresh air while I'm studying. And I think this is the best time for a study in the morning, and morning study is very effective and very helpful for me to register all the information and knowledge that I get from my studies in my mind. And I think having proper schedule in morning for study is very necessary for everyone because only that time our mind is very focused and calm. So I think morning, I prefer morning study more than afternoon.
Thank you. Whom do you love most in your family, your mom or dad?
Obviously, every child loves their mom, but I do admit that I love my dad a little bit more because he's my idol, he's my inspiration. So I learn a lot from him. And also, I love my mom too. But when it comes to choosing one favorite person from my family, I think my father is the one I would go for. I do love the way he struggle in life and succeed. I also try to follow his path. As an idol, my father did a lot of things that made me wonder how he pulled off this much struggle in his prime time, in his youth, for his family and for us till now.
Could you tell me about English Fantasy? English Fantasy is the right place for learning English language, and how much help you to learn English language in English Fantasy?
Definitely, English Fantasy is currently the best place for learning English because when I joined English Fantasy as an employee, I never thought I would get this much opportunity to improve my English also. So, as an employee, I get to interact with other staff and other employee colleagues. We have a very beautiful rule in English Fantasy that you cannot speak Bangla. If you speak Bangla, you have to pay fine, not only for a student but also for staffs, teachers, and other authorities. So this rule helped me to improve a lot, especially in my confidence and fluency. So as a member, as a staff member who is working constantly, who is not able to attend classes, if he can learn English like me, then I think students who are getting 24/7 teaching supports and other stuff, they must do very well in English. So if anyone wants to learn English, then English Fantasy is the best way to go.
Okay, whenever you take video from students, do you use Bangla or English language?
Sometimes some students who are new to the institution, they don't know English that much. They're still on their learning process. They do use Bengali words sometimes, but we do instruct them to not speak Bengali because this is the way to build their habit. If they're making mistake, doesn't matter because mistakes makes a man perfect. So whenever they're trying to speak English, we try to encourage them more When they speak Bangla, we simply tell them, please do not speak Bangla, otherwise you will be fined.
That
Hence,
means when you take video, also you give them some suggestion to learn
yeah,
English
yeah,
language,
definitely,
right?
definitely. Because we are also part of English Fantasy, so it is our responsibility to teach them or guide them for improving their fluency and other stuff regarding English language.
Thank you, Roy. That is the end of the speaking test. I just want to say everyone in English Fantasy, every people of English Fantasy, they can speak English very well. If I go for our security guard, he's very good at English language, and our every member, teachers, our all departments member, they can speak English very well. So thank you so much, Mr. Roy,
Thank you,
for
sir.
joining in my podcast. So I will inform you again to go for another discussion topic. So thank you
Definitely,
so
sir.
much and have a good time.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure.